the auction's on. 2,500 to be 3,000. I'm going to take it at 335. 35, 4. I'm going to 4 now 5. I'm going to 45 now 5. I'm going to 5 pound to be 555. 5,500 to be 5 pound now 6,000. I'm going to 65. 6,500 to be 5 pound now 7. 7 pound now 75. 75 500 to 7,500. 7,500 8,500. Two bidders online now $9,000. 8,500 to bid 9,000. 8,500 to 9 now 9,000. 8,500 to get 9,000. 8,500 to 9 now 9 to get $9,000 more. 9 down 9,000. Boys, anybody can redo one, but nobody can make one back to original. That tractor is original. 2,000 hours. One owner. Right off the stall, state auction right over here, ladies and gentlemen. Help yourself. Start her up one more time. I want to hear 05. 87 and a half. Now 9,000 internet with another new bidder. Start her up again. 7,999. Now 92.50. I'm going to 9,000. Up here. Go ahead and crank her tail. 92 and a half. I'm going to 91. Now 92 internet. 91. 92 internet. Shout again. I'm going to 91 tail. Now 9,300. I'm going to 2, 3. I'm going to 2, 3. I'm going to 92 to 300. 94. 9,400 internet. I'm going to 92 to 400. 9,400. Up now 95. I'm down 9,500. Folks, I think everybody probably knows the famous Polk family out of Indiana. Denny Polk and his son Jeff. They've got one of the most impressive tractor collections anywhere on these antique tractors, and Denny's been bidding on that all the way. And he's a pretty good judge of tractors. I got 94, 95, and I believe he's done, but he may get in again, Jimmy. 9,400, 9,500, internet's carrying the bid. 94, 95. 9,400 to bid 9,500. 9,500 Danny Polk. 9,500 to bid 95. 595. Everybody else want to get 9,500 to bid 9,500 to get 9,500 to get 9,500. I'm going to 9,500. All thank you for the help, Denny. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the hammer's high. I'm going to bid 9,400. Anybody else want to get 9,500 out of the tractor? 9,500, and I have sold the tractor $9,400 to the internet, and I want to know the paddle number, and I want to know where that tractor's going. Paddle 3070 at 9,400. Where's it going? Tractor's going to Connecticut. Matt, is that the one that's called you on it? How many times?